Alright, so here's the oil pan right here. This is the right side of the car. You gotta take that downpipe out. I see a bolt, a couple bolts. I can't see behind the pipe, but I believe that's another bolt right there. Right here, this is another bolt. Y eso va conectado ahí, creo yo. That's the transmission, I believe, right here. Eso está conectado aquí. I'm assuming behind it. And then on this side, unfortunately, there is a subframe bar, which is the crossbar. This is the crossbar right there. You have to take that out for sure to take the oil pan out. And then on the other side, I can't really see, but this control arm might be in the way. I'm pretty sure you gotta take all that shit out. Maybe. Let me see, how big is the oil pan? But yeah, I feel the bolts right here actually. Let me see. Let's see, one bolt right here. Yeah, that's just it's a little tough, bro. It's a little job for sure. You gotta definitely charge a bit for that. Yo creo que tú tienes que meterte ahí. Pero tienes que sacar este subframe, bro. For sure. Porque del otro lado, from the wheel, you can't see because there's a plastic. There's a plastic on the other side of the wheel that's covering this portion right here. Ya tú sabes, nigga. The muffler, you gotta take it out. This subframe gotta come out. And I believe you might have to fuck with the control arm and shit and the hub to take it out.